Before we get into this video, I'm on a new phone. My other one was severely broke. I don't know what's going on, but somehow in the process of editing the video, and it goes straight back to the camera, it's not just the software, words are choppy, my mouth does not line up with the speech, but I've already filmed the video and I can't go back and like redo this stuff, so just kind of bear with me as I learn this, whatever's going on with this phone, and yeah, try to enjoy it. Welcome back to the Mod Addict. So this is my 90LX, aka Horseplay, and today we're going to go fill this thing up. So with the NexgenEfi Digital dash, I've yet to fill this car up, but to scale the gas gauge, I've already did it on empty. I got to fill it up and press the scale button so it can learn the parameters for high and low fuel. So we're going to go do that. Hopefully there won't be any hitches. You can probably tell there's quite a bit of dust on the windshield. The car is covered in dust, so the sun hits that just right, it'll blind you. So I'm going to pull it out and at least rinse it off before I drive it down there. All the way to the gas station, and I left my daggum wallet in the Outlander. So let's try this again. Alright, we finally made it back to the gas station without hitch. The gas light did come on, that is working. The Q-Star, this little thing for the GPS, synced right away with the dash, and I got my speed up. Absolutely love that. So yeah, let's get this filled up, and then I'll go over how to set the parameters for the full mark. Alright, we're getting fuel. And that beautiful C4 pulled up. Looks pretty immaculate. Gas for premium is, because this side's not showing, $4.49 a gallon. Y'all know who to thank for that. I held $52 at $4.49 a gallon. It's 11, so I think it's a 12.5 gallon, maybe 13. So I had some fuel in there, but I'm gonna show you how to set the gauge now. On the NexgenEfi dash, he's got this little green light here. You push it, and it brings you to this. You can go to gauges, and then for this, the S means scaling. So if you go to full, hit scale. Now it knows 753 is full. Now I hit it a few times just to make sure. It's weird how it's all over, but we'll go with like a high one, 752. There we go. So now that's full. 390 is empty. I did that. 400 I just put in there just to see what it would do. I'm just trying to get a thing, but now I'm going to split the difference between 752 and 390, and we will go from there. Math is correct. It's 557. I'm going to save this. It's saving, and look at my fuel gauge all the way up. There we go. Now I don't have an oil gauge hooked up, and that's why it says there's no oil pressure. I definitely need to get them. Battery's at 13.4. It's charging. It's at 14 when I drive, over 14, so we're good to go. Slope all day long, but my fans don't appear to be coming on. Yeah, I'm at 206. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, they're on. Okay, well, I guess they're weak. All in all, not too bad. Some things did show its head, which I assume once I start driving it would. It's got, I don't know, a stumble, a stutter. It just doesn't feel like it did a couple months ago. All in all, pretty successful. I got to figure out the fans, and they don't seem to be very high speed. They could be dying on me. They're just, you know, they came with a car. I don't know the brand. I don't know anything else. And then I got to get this figured out where it's, I don't know, it's like a stutter or sputter. I don't think it's in the tune. I think it's something like the transmission or something. I really do, because there's no way it's good for a little bit and then not good. And then, I don't, something is just off on it. I can't pinpoint it. I don't know exactly what it is. I'll have to check them plug wires again. I have had issues in the past where, like, see how that one's laying across that header? Even with a boot on, it'll burn up. And I didn't know that was laying there. So that could very well already be an issue that I didn't think about checking. Now these over here are not touching the header. Should be good. So like I said, need to go over here and look. That one touching has me concerned quite a bit. It's really annoying that I didn't notice that. Last time when the boot burned up and I fixed it, this thing ran like a scalded dog. I mean, I could burn it all the way down the block and didn't have an issue. Today, I mean, it would spin out, it would burn out, but it didn't feel quite there. It felt like something was a little off. So what I want to see for in this, I pulled this. Let's see. That's an issue. Let's see what this looks like inside this. Yeah, that's definitely an issue. You can see where it got hot. That's yeah. Wow. Does it still clip on there? Yeah, it still clips on there, but it wants to walk back around and lay on that. So I think that's what the issue was. Is it got way too hot and burn up. And yeah, this sums up Florida weather. It was just bright and sunny.
I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 16 bars. I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 16 bars. I won't turn around, I won't